Footage of a young Queen Elizabeth giving the Nazi salute was recently released, and Twitter has been in a frenzy ever since. I'm Jennifer Sanasi, it's the 20th of July, and you're watching News 24 Live. The palace has responded to the tabloid newspaper The Sun, expressing its disappointment. The palace said it is disappointing that film shot 8 decades ago, and apparently from Her Majesty's personal family archive, has been obtained and exploited in this manner. Now, the footage is from 1933 and depicts the Queen when she was about 7 years old. People have been taking to Twitter all weekend to share their opinions. Ian McPherson said, "For crying out loud, she was mimicking what the adults were doing. Sun's refusal to reveal how they acquired the film smells." Ricky Gervais even weighed in with this tweet: "If the Queen does another Nazi salute, let me know about it. Until then, she was 7, and it didn't even have its eventual context. Not news." Jonathan Levin agrees with Gervais. He said, "Really? What's next from The Sun? So the Queen did a Nazi salute in 1933, taken out of context for the time, gutter journalism at its worst." Although these Twitter users say the footage was taken out of context, The Sun's managing editor told the BBC, "I think the justification is relatively evident. It's a matter of national historical significance to explore what was going on in the 30s ahead of the Second World War." He added that the paper was not suggesting anything improper on the part of the Queen or the Queen Mum. Let us know what you think of the publication of the video that has caused controversy in the comments section below. And for all of your latest breaking entertainment news, head on over to our sister website, channel24.co.za.